everyone, welcome. Allison here. So, before we get into me showing you what I've got today, I just want to thank everybody in my Facebook group. Um, Great big support. Such wonderful ladies. Um, I was going to quit, because I felt like instead of going forward, everything was kind of going backwards. But I'm gonna try and work on some things, and hopefully, do better. So, with that said, if you guys would like to get to know me more on a personal level and get to know these great ladies, there is a link down below to my Facebook group, and you can go check it out. I also have Instagram if you want to follow me on that as well. Anyhow, so today my husband and I went to the Dollar Tree. Honestly, I don't even know what we went in there for. We just kind of wanted to look, I guess. I don't know. So I'll show you what I got. Alright. So the first thing was these silver little pearl wraps. They're so pretty. How many? I don't know if it even says. It just says a 6 by 10. So got that. So pretty. And then they also had it in the actual pearl. So. And then these. Look how cute. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the old country, the old farmhouse look. So pretty. And then these, look how cute. So stinking cute. Love those. And then some pens. Adorable. There's 12 of them. I only grabbed the one. I should have grabbed a couple more, but I don't know, maybe next time. And then look at these lights. Ah, they're cute. They're hearts. So, we'll see what I can do with that. And then they had these little felt stickers. I thought they were adorable. And then I needed some clips, and they had these. So, there's 6 of them. So I grabbed one of those. And I needed some of the, I don't know, the belt fasteners. I don't know, but the zip. I don't know what y'all call them, zip things. Anyhow, grabbed one of those. I think I grabbed a couple of them. And then this scarf. So pretty. There might be 2 of them. No, it's just one great big. Oh no, I grabbed 2 of them. Okay. So, but look how cute. Love that. So we'll work this into something. And I just grabbed a few of these little, they call them plates, but they're shallow, almost like bowls. That will work great for my paints or my Mod Podge, things like that. And then I grabbed a few of these. I believe I grabbed 4 of each. Yeah. So I grabbed 4 of these red ones. There was 14 in these. So pretty. And then this kind of rose gold color. And there was 18 in these ones. So, like I said, if you follow me in my Facebook group, then you'll know what these will be for. Alright, set those aside. Next. Okay, so I grabbed 4 of these 4x6s. yeah, 4x6s. Frames, we're going to do something with these. And then I just grabbed some pop-up dots. They were there, so I thought, why not? And then I grabbed a couple of these wood dowels. I think they're only, let's just 15 centimeters. Okay, so 6 inches. So, grab 2 of those. So there's 30 of them here. And then, so I guess I grabbed 2 of these. Alright. And then, here we go. Ribbon. Ribbon. Some more ribbon. Some of them I only grabbed 1 of each, and others I grabbed 2 of them. I think. Yep, there we go. Alright, so I thought I grabbed 2 of these, but I guess I grabbed 1. So I got 1 of these, and then 2 in the pink, and it's kind of got like a rose gold around here, metallic around there. Very pretty. And then 1 of these, and 1 of the red hearts. Love this one. This one's so cute. You're my person. So adorable, right? And then I swear I grabbed 2 of these too. Oh well. The gingham. And I think all of these are, let's see, 2.5 inches. Yeah, they're all 2.5 inches and 9 feet. And then this one. Isn't that pretty? Love those. Love it, love it, love it. Seems like I got more than that, but alright. And then next, I got 4 of each of these, so I'm not going to pull them all out. But I'll pull 1 of each color out. So I got 4 of each. So I got this one. And it is 3 yards. I love that snowy look. And then this one is just the red and white. And then this one, I love this, again with the snowy look. So yeah, I grabbed 4 of each of those. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. Ooh, look what I got. This is the rest of my Christmas. It just come in today. Today is, the 28th of December, so just a couple days after. Anyhow, this is too big to just leave here on the desk, so I'm going to open it up and then just bring things out, and I'll show you what I got. Okay? Hold on one sec. Okay, there we go. So I've got this adhesive foil, and this is in the color rose gold. This will make it so much easier for when I do cards. I don't know if you can see how pretty that rose gold is. So, got that. And there is, let's see how much. So it's 1 row, it's 12 inch by 48 inches. It's a good size. Good amount. And then I've got this permanent vinyl, and it comes in 3 different colors. Let's see if it says the colors. Spring Pearl Sampler. So I guess that's it, just that. But you can see it's got kind of a bluish gray tint and then a kind of a cream color. So there you go. Very, very pretty. Love that. And then for my um, fabric, I couldn't resist it. It was on sale for, I think it was 50 cents or $1.25. No, I think it was $1.25. But got that. It's washable, so it'll mark your material, and then when you wash it, it'll come right off. And then I got the scoring tool. I do have, well, this is the stylus. I do have the, if I can find it, the double wheel score. But this is just the single score, so that will be nice for my cards. I could have gotten it in this, but this was a little cheaper. Not much, but a little cheaper, so I went with this one instead. And then I got this bonded fabric cutter, so if my fabric has any bond on it, like glue or, you know, the fabric bond, this will cut through it and not give any problems. This I'm excited for. So this is the foil transfer kit. And it's got your fine point, your medium point, and then your large point. Oh, I'm excited. Let's open this up. So I hope everyone has had a wonderful Christmas and looking forward to the new year. I know I am. I think we're all looking forward to a new year. A better year. So it does come with sample foil, and I think it comes with 3 colors. Or maybe this too. I don't know. Let's see. So we got the silver, gold. Okay, so just silver and gold. So there's the transfer foils. And then here is the housing for the, I don't know what you want to call it, I really don't, I'm not sure what they call them. It's kind of like the score. It's kind of like that. So there's the tips for that. Excited to try this out. Oops, set this to the side. And then I got some foil poster card. It comes in this really pretty rose gold. It's like green, kind of a peachy color, purple, and then like a teal color. Let's see if I can't show a little bit. So there's the peachy color, and then there's the pink. Looks like there's 2 sheets of each. Kind of a mint green. There's that purple. Very pretty. And then the blue. So excited for this. Very cool, very pretty. And then this is some acetate, and it comes in the confetti, so it looks like this. And I thought that was so cool. Oh wow, there's more than, there are so many. Alright, let's see if I can't open this one. Oops, bump y'all. Darn it. Oh well. Alright, so we got the circles. Oh, that's a really... Look at that. That is, like, really sturdy. So we got the circles. Looks like we got some solid and gold. And then blues. And we got some squares. Let's see if I can. There you go. Now you can see the squares. So it looks like you get a couple of sheets. Wow, 3 or 4 sheets of different colors. You get the stars. Oh, and some triangles. Very cool, very cool. So here you go. I don't know if that's gonna focus. No, it's not gonna. Anyhow, there you go. And then the last bit I got was 3 more of the mats. This is the variety pack. It comes with the standard mat, the light grip mat, and I believe the strong grip mat. So I think this purple one is the strong grip, and then the blue. So this is the strong grip, the purple. The standard grip is the green. And the light grip is the blue? No. Does it say? It doesn't say. Maybe the... Well, let's open it up. Maybe the mats... Oh, yeah. Okay, so the strong grip is the purple one. And I think the blue one... I thought the blue one was standard, but it might be the lightweight. Okay, the blue one is the lightweight, and then the green one... The green is the standard, so there we go. Alright, so that was my little Cricut haul for the rest of my Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I cannot wait to get using this. I have been enjoying this Cricut maker so much. I have made quite a few things, and if you follow me in my Facebook group or on Instagram, then you'll have seen some of the things that I've been doing. If you follow me there, or on either one of those, you will actually see a lot more that I do than you do here on the videos. But anyhow, I will let you guys go. I do hope you had a wonderful Christmas or Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. And I hope that we all have a wonderful New Year's, and I will see you all on Friday. Alright, I love y'all. I hope to see you guys soon. Again, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and yeah, leave me a comment on what you guys think about this little haul that I got. And yeah, let me know how your Christmas was as well. Anyhow, hit that like button and share with your friends and family. Let's get me out there. The sooner I get to 2,000, the sooner I can do a big giveaway. Alright, I love you guys. Bye. And don't forget to always smile.